Well, we had water in the basement years ago, and we actually had a different company come out and do that, but they're no longer in business, so we weren't going to use them, obviously. The more recent work was with the sump pump because the one we had was failing, so we had it replaced, and that's how we got connected with the basement doctor. Well, it was Jameson, he was the foreman, and two guys named Matt and Mike. They came out and told us exactly what they would do and kind of day by day how they expected it to progress. They did a good job. I think they even said they thought it was going pretty well and that things were moving along and that they felt like it was going to be on time for sure and maybe a little quicker, and it was a little bit quicker than we even anticipated. My experience with the basement doctor has been very good overall with a couple of projects now that they've done, and with this particular project I was not just pleased, but even surprised at how well it went and how hard they tried to accommodate us. They even did a couple of extra favors for me while they were in the process of doing the work, and I appreciated that very much. So I was very pleased.